Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So we are having yet another episode of the 1-minute tutorials. I will teach you how to do something in 1 minute or less video series. So in this one, I wanted to go over something that is important, not necessary, but helpful. I am talking about color correction. So something that a lot of people will ask me is, how do I cover up the dark circles underneath of my eyes? Well, then they'll go on to tell me how they've been layering and caking on concealer and it just doesn't work. Well, friends, I'm here to show you something that's actually going to work. So I come to you barefaced, looking great, I know, and I'm going to show you how I fix this whole situation to make it look all even in one color complexion. It's actually very simple. You just need to know the basics of the color wheel and you'll be good to go. But don't worry, I will teach you so you don't have to look it up yourself. It's fine. Okay, so my first step of advice is go ahead and have your face primed and ready. Then that way you can go ahead and begin the color correction process. So let's start the timer and let's begin. What I use to do my color correction is a little palette just like this. You do not need a big fancy expensive palette like this. What you need are the colors, so pay attention to those. We have orange, purple, and green. These are just concealer colors, don't worry about them. So the orange is going to help cover up dark circles because it's going to counteract the purple pigment underneath of your eye. The purple is going to help bring out vibrancy and it's going to help fight those yellow tones that make you look a little dull and a little sickly. And then the very last one over here is green. That's going to help fight off any redness. So as you can see through here, it's not as bad as it used to be. I did used to have rosacea, and that's something that I use to cover it up whenever she acts a fool. Let's go ahead and start applying, and you can see how crazy I look. Okay, and then here's kind of the final look after you've applied everything. So the very last step is just to blend it in. So I'm going to take my sponge and do just that. I feel like a key thing to remember here is you don't have to blend it perfectly into the skin, because if you think about it, you are going to cover it up with foundation and concealer anyway, so it's going to cover all of this and it's just going to help provide the base that you need to get your complexion the color that you wanted. That's the gist of it. I'll put on the rest of my face really quickly, or at least the foundation part, and you can see what I mean. So there you have it, guys. This is what the final look after color correction looks like with just the base on. You cannot see the color correction products. All you can see is no redness or dark circles, honey. So thank you so much for tuning into this one, guys. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell right next to that so you get notified every single time that I upload, because trust me, you want to be here. Thanks again, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.